If you want financial freedom without complicated strategies, this book might completely change how you think about money. Here are 5 powerful takeaways from book The Simple Path to Wealth by J.L. Collins that can help you build real, lasting wealth. Takeaway number 1, spend less than you earn. It sounds obvious, but this is where everything begins. If you don't create a gap between what you earn and what you spend, there's nothing left to invest. Wealth isn't built by income alone. It's built by what you keep. Takeaway number 2, invest early and consistently. Time is your biggest advantage. The earlier you start, the more you benefit from compound growth. Even small amounts invested consistently can turn into something massive over time. Waiting is the most expensive mistake you can make. Takeaway number 3, keep it simple. You don't need to pick stocks. You don't need to chase trends. In fact, most people lose money doing that. J.L. Collins recommends investing in low-cost index funds, especially total market funds, because instead of betting on one company, you're investing in the entire market. Takeaway number 4, avoid debt. Debt, especially high-interest debt, is one of the biggest obstacles to building wealth. It keeps you stuck and slows down your progress. The goal is simple: own your money instead of owing it. And takeaway number 5, financial independence is the goal. This isn't about getting rich quickly. It's about gaining freedom. When your investments generate enough income, you're no longer dependent on a paycheck. That's when you control your time, your choices, and your life. And here's the big idea. Wealth doesn't come from complexity. It comes from consistency. Spend less, invest regularly, keep it simple, and give it time. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more simple breakdowns on money and investing, and start building your path to financial freedom. Welcome to The Practical Millionaire, where wealth is built practically.